Hi students, today we are discussing the problems on the four formulas. Log x by base a is equal to log x base a plus log y base a. Same like second formula, log x by y base a is equal to log x base a minus log y base a. The third formula is log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a, or log x power m base a is equal to m log x base a. Fourth formula is a power log n base a is equal to n. Using the four formulae, we have to do the problems in the page number 21. Do these problems. Let us see this one. By using the formula log x power n base a is equal to n log x base a, convert the following. The first problem is log 7 power 25 to the base 2. How we have to do this one? Log a power m, log x power m. Log x power m formula is m log x, that is 25 into log 7 base 2. Since from the formula, supporting formula, log x power m to the base a, which is m into log x base a. This is the first problem. So remaining four formulas, three problems in the same pattern. Second problem is log 8 power 50, 8 power 50 base 5. The solution is 50 log 8 base 5. Third problem, log 5 power 23, base is not given here. If any base not given time, the base is 10, keep in mind. So log 5 power 23, the solution is 23 log 5. Since from the same formula, supporting formula is the above. So here also same like that. The above formula is applied. Log x power m base a is equal to m log x base a. The fourth problem is log 1024 given. Base also not given, base not given time, the base is 10. It can be written as, how like one time see, log 2 power 10, 2 multiplied 10 times, the value is 1024. So which is in the form log x power m. The solution is m log x, that is 10 log 2, since from the supporting formula. These are the four problems in the do this. Next one, try this. Find the value of log 32 base 2. Try these four problems are there. These are also very important for half mark questions or 1 mark questions. One time see here. Log 32 base, first question, try this, base 2. Find the value of log 32 base 2. What is the value of this one? One time see here, very easiest problem, it is 2 power 5. 32 can be resolved into 2 power 5. 2 2s, 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 2 power 5 base 2. Log x power m, it can be written as m log x. So formula log x power m base a equal to m log x base a. So 5 into log 2 base 2, its value is 1. Log a base a formula is there. I didn't mention this one here. For formula, this formula we will discuss afterwards. Since log a base a is equal to 1, tomorrow I will discuss the formula above this one. Log a base a is 1. Very simple. A power a is, a power 1 is equal to a. A power n is equal to, a power 1 is equal to a. What formula like have? a power x is equal to n, which is in the form a power x is equal to n, then x is equal to log a base a. So log a base a value is 1. So using this formula 5 into 1, the answer is 5. This is the first problem in this Roman. Now we are going to discuss the another problem. Find the value of root c base c. Find the value of root c base c. How we find this one time see here. Log root c base c. Log root c means c power 1 by 2 base c. Log x power m formula like how, which is m log x half log c base c, since log x power m is equal to m log x. 1 by 2 into log c base c is 1, since already we discussed that a power 1 equal to a, so log a base a is 1, so this value, entire value is 1, answer is 1 by 2. The third problem in this Roman, what is that? Find the value of log 0.001 base 10. Log 0.001 base 10. How we have to write this one time see here. Log 0.001 is nothing but log 0.001 multiply with 1000. The denominator here, denominator is 1. So 1 also multiplied with 1000. Base 10. Log 0.001 into 1000 is nothing but 1 by 1000. Base 10. Log 1 by 10 cube base 10. This 1 can be written as here 1 cube, no problem. 1 cube value is also 1. Finally, log 1 by 10 whole cube base 10. Otherwise, 1 by 10 cube, it can be written as 1 by a power m. 1 by a power m can be written as a power minus m. 10 power minus 3 base 10. Since the supporting formula 1 by a power m is equal to a power minus m. Again formula log x power m. Log x power m formula, you know that m log x base a. Say that is minus 3 into log 10 base 10. This entire value is equal to 1. So that minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Since log a base a is equal to 1. These are the value of the third problem. In similar manner, the fourth problem you have to do yourself. Why? Because log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. 8 by 27 can be written as 8 can be written as 2 cube, 27 can be written as 3 cube. So 2 cube by 3 cube is nothing but 2 by 3 whole cube. So you have to do yourself. Think and discuss, already we discussed in the last class only, you have to do yourself. Now we are going to discuss the 11th problem, example 11, page number 21. Example 11, page number 21 problem. Expand. Expand log 343 by 125. 343 by 125. How we have to do this one? Solution of this one, example 11. Expand log 343 by 125. So this is the problem here. How we have to solve? Solution log 343 by 125. So one time see this one, this is log x by y like formula is there, which is in the form log x by y. Log x by y formula is log x minus log y. Since from the supporting formula log x by y is equal log x minus log y. This is the supporting formula. Again, now we have to think this one. How like we have to write? Log 343. How like we have to write? See one time. 343 can be written as log 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7. 343 minus log 5 cube. 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Again, which is in the form log x power m, which is m log x. Log 3 log 7 minus 3 log 5. Since from the supporting formula log x power m is equal to m log x. Now take 3 as the common factor here. You get 3 bracket log 7 minus log 5. This is the expanded form of this problem. This is the example 11. Now we have to go for example 12. Example 12. How we have to do this one? Write 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2 as a single logarithm. 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2 as a single logarithm. One time see this one. As for notes writing purpose, I will leave the space. Okay. Write 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2 as a single logarithm. This is the question. How we have to write this as a single logarithm? This is the expanded form. Expanded form changes into single form. This is the single form or simplest form. Solution. Given problem, take one time. 2 log 3 plus 3 log 5 minus 5 log 2. Here the first term is 2 log 3, which is in the form m log x. M log x in the form of log a x power m. So that log 3 square, again m log x, log 5 cube, m log x, log 2 power 5. Since from the supporting formula m log x is equal to log x power m. Log 3 square is nothing but log 9. 3 square value is 9. 5 cube is 125, that is log 125. Log 2 power 5, log 32. Again, log a x plus log y. Log x plus log y is nothing but log xy, that is log 9 into 125 minus log 32. Since from the formula log x plus log y, log xy. 125 nines, 125 eighths is 125 eighths 1000, that is 1125 minus log 32. Again log x minus log y. Log x minus log y is nothing but log x by y. Log 1125 by 32. Since from the supporting formula log x minus log y is equal to log x by y. This is the supporting formula. This is single logarithm or not? Okay children. So this is the end of our class. Tomorrow we have to discuss the remaining examples. Okay children. Practice these entire problems and write in the notebook. Bye children.